Hello guys, today we are going to learn about HTML links. Links are found in nearly all web pages, likes allow users to click their way from page to page. HTML links, hyperlinks. HTML links are hyperlinks. You can click on a link and jump to another document. When you move the mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. A link does not have to be text. A link can be an image or any other HTML element also. HTML links syntax. The HTML at A element defines a hyperlink. It has the following syntax. The most important attribute of the A element is the href attribute, which indicates the link's destination. The link text is the part that will be visible to the reader. Clicking on the link text will send the reader to the specified URL address. Let's take an example like https www.facebook.com. Ctrl S, open with live server. Click on Facebook. By default, links will appear as following in the browsers. Make one more example. Google.com. Google. For line break, take a beer tag. By default, links will appear as following in the browsers. An unvisited link is underlined and blue. A visited link is underlined and purple, and active link is underlined and red. You can check. Links can of courses by styled with CSS to get another look. HTML links target attribute. By default, linked page will be displayed in the current browser window. To change this, you must specify another target for the link with the target attribute. The target attribute specifies where to open the linked document. The target attribute can have on the following values like self, blank, parent, top. The self target is the default attribute, opens the document in the same windows or tab as it was clicked. Blank opens the document in a new window or tab. Parent opens the document in the parent frame. Top opens the document in the full body of the window. Let's try. Target. Self is the default target and blank opens the document in the new window or tab. Blank. Ctrl S and let's check it out. Click on Facebook. It was opened. It is opening with the new tab. Parent, Ctrl S and let's check it out. Click on the Facebook. Opens the document in the parent framework or frame. Target top. Ctrl S and let's check it out. Click on Facebook. I hope you understand. Absolute URLs and relative URLs. This is the URLs. This one is absolute URLs. Both examples above are using an absolute URLs, a full web address. In the href attribute, a local link. A link to a page within the same website is specified with a relevant URLs without https/www part. Let's take some example. Absolute or else https www.facebook.com. Facebook. ms.person.com. This is my website. ms.person. Ctrl S and let's check it out. Let's take an example with relevant URLs. Relative URLs. Relative URLs are a local link. Like this is my one more demo HTML. Let's check it out. Open with live server. This is a demo website. I'm going to link it on relative URLs demo.html. Directly link demo.html. I'm going to write here just demo. Ctrl S and let's check it out. It's working. So this is absolute URLs and this is relative URLs. I hope you all are understand about absolute URLs and relative URLs. HTML links use an image as a link. As an image, I am going to link it on my HTML document. To use an image as a link is just to put the image tag inside a tag or a element. I'm going to add here use an image as a link. Use an as a link. I'm going to add a demo link, just hashtag. Inside a element, I'm going to take img src source file link. In src, you need to insert source file link. So source file link img jpg alter text just img image. Ctrl S and let's check it out. Oh, it's so big. You can check my cursor was turned into a finger of the hand. Link to an email address. Link to an email address. Use mail to inside href attribute to create a link that opens the user's email program to let them send a new email. Just mail to. I am going to add here my email. I'm going to here add demo with image Faisal like 0000 @gmail.com and write here send me email. Ctrl S and let's check it out. Send me email. Click on this. Button as a link. Button as a link. Click here. Document.location. Default .asp. Ctrl S and let's check it out. Click here. JavaScript allows you to specify what happens at certain events, such as click of a button. To use an HTML button as a link, you have to add some JavaScript. JavaScript allows you to specify what happens at certain events, such as the link of the button. Button as a link, and now I am going to learn link title. Link titles. I am here HTTPS facebook.com. Facebook title, I'm here, go to Facebook. Ctrl S. Link titles. The title attribute specifies extra information about an email. The information is most often shown as a tooltip text when the mouse moves over the element. Go to Facebook, right? So in this tutorial we have learned a element. Use the href attribute to define the link address. Use the target attribute to define where to open the linked document. Use the img element inside a element to use an image as a link. Use the mail to sim inside href attribute to get a link that opens the user's email program.